Chris Aquino, so proud sa pagiging entrepreneur ni Kim Chiu. Excited na nga ba sa muling pagkikita? Nagbahagi nga ang multimedia idol at queen of the dance floor na si Kim Chiu sa kanyang Instagram ng ilang larawan na kuha at ganap sa kanyang naging business trip kamakailan sa Thailand. Nakipag-banding kasi siya sa business partner na si Ming Kayla sa Thailand kung saan itinur pa nga sila nito sa naturang trip na yon. Kasama ni Kim ang kanyang ate Twinkle at ang asawa nitong si Anton. Ayon pa nga sa naging caption ng dalaga, House of Little Bunny, Thailand, PH, #Boss, Lady, Energy. Grateful for a meaningful and productive work trip. 2. BKK, thank you at Min Kayla Sika for welcoming us and for touring us around, sharing the same vision to create affordable yet quality bags for everyone. Makes this partnership even more meaningful. Thank you, Mink, for your trust, guidance. I feel truly blessed to have known Mink for a few years now, and even more honored to know her deeper, not just as a businesswoman, but as a genuinely great person, someone I truly look up to for her strength and for what she represents in women empowerment. Bunny, cheers to 2026. House of Little Bunny PH. One step today, 1,000 miles tomorrow. PS, I think this will be my new motto in life. Agad-agad namang pinagkaguluhan ng mga kapwa-artista ang naturang post na yon ni Kimi. Nangunguna nga dito ang queen of all media na si Miss Chris Aquino. Ayon pa kay Miss Chrissy, mutual respect, just like trust, is earned when it's reciprocal. This business venture is something I find to be a perfect match for those of us na gustong dala ang buong bahay. Pwedeng mag-request ng different sizes of mix and match. Pouches for a large travel bag. I saw the bags during your Cebu pop-up and I said, gamot ko pa lang hindi na kasya. The colors were so happy and the quality was excellent. I love you forever. See you soon. Agad din namang nagkomento ang singer na si Jonah. So hardworking and inspiring. God bless you more, Kimi. Kahit si Bong Navarro, nakasamahan niya sa Showtime ay napakomento rin ng congratulations, Kimi. Kahit ang nakasama niyang ang napakagaling na singer na si Miss Shasha Padilla ay bumati rin ng congrats, happy for you. At ang artistang si Ruby Ruiz ay nagsabi ng congratulations. Samantala, si Bianca Gonzalez naman ay sinabing, so proud. Halos lahat naman ay kinocongratulate si Kimi sa napaka-successful niyang business na House of Little Bunny, kaya naman pinupuri at hinahangaan ng mga kapwa-artista ang dalaga. Good job, Kimi, and more power to your business. Sana marami pang benta at mas lalo pang lumago ang House of Little Bunny mo at magkaroon ng maraming branches. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.